Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my buttermilk pie. And my recipe called for 1 pie, but I'm going to double the recipe. I'm going to make 2 pies. So first I'm going to start off beating my eggs. I have 6 eggs here. Let me read my ingredients off to you. My ingredients is 3 eggs, which I said I'm going to double my recipe. 1/2 cup of butter softened. 1.5 cup of sugar. And I always, when I do mine, I always kind of like, I did 2 cups and a half of sugar instead of a cup and a half. So I kind of cut 1.5 of cups, you know, kind of cut down on my sugar on mine, you know. But it calls for 1.5 cup of sugar, so that would be 3 cups of sugar. Okay, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk. Make sure your buttermilk is room temperature. 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm going to start off beating my eggs until good and fluffy. I have 6 eggs here. And I'm going to beat them till they're good and fluffy. So if you would hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. And subscribe please and hit that like button. And this is a quick recipe. It don't really take that long, especially when you already have everything prepped out. And make sure you have your butter at room temperature also. So you just beat your eggs until it's good and fluffy. And then when I get them good and fluffy, I'm going to add my butter, sugar, and my flour. And then when I get that fluffy, I'm going to add my nutmeg and my flavor and my lemon juice. And that's all to it. And you're going to put it in the oven for like 45 to 55 minutes. Okay. When you put it in the oven, you make sure you put it on a baking sheet, because you don't want it to kind of spill out of your. Sometimes it'll run over, you know. You want to mess your oven up. I think this is gonna be fluffy here. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So now I'm gonna add my butter. And like I say, I doubled this recipe. And my sugar. And my flour. And this is not self-rising flour. And just beat it until it gets fluffy. I probably should have gotten a bigger bowl, because I got 2 cups of buttermilk I need to pour in here. You can always cut back on your sugar, you know, when you're making a cake or pie or whatever. You don't have it. I cut down on my sugar and you can't even taste the difference, you know. texture is changing on it. See there? Look at there. Hey, texture is changing. And make sure you smooth all that butter in there. Okay. It looks fluffy. Let me go over and give about a few more minutes on it. I could have did this in my stand mixer, but I chose to do it with my hand mixer. Okay, I think that's fluffy enough here. So I'm gonna add let's see here. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay. And I have some fresh grated nutmeg here. It tastes much better when you use your fresh, get you some store-bought fresh, where you can grind it yourself. That's what I did. And the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you have your buttermilk. I just hope I don't need a bigger bowl. Oh, let me see. I might make it. Because I want all my buttermilk because it calls for 2 cups. Okay. Okay, let me see. I'm going to start off slow, seeing if this is going to work. In this bowl here. It might work. No splatters. Let me see. I think it'll work. Barely work. And next time I get a bigger, larger bowl. And that's all it is to this recipe. Make sure all my ingredients are well combined. Okay, remove some of this. have, let me move my mixer out of the way here. I have two 9-inch, and I got the deep pie crust because I did it once and it just was not with the regular crust, and it was just not big enough. I had to kind of throw some of my filling away because my crust is not deep enough. You know, make sure you get the deep pie crust for this. Okay. Now I'm gonna get ready to get this out, and I'm gonna have to use one of my cups here to kind of dip it out and put it in here. Now I got about five, this is 3/4 cups in here. That's about 5 in there, and I'm gonna put like maybe a half, cause it's gonna go down some. And see, I got this left, so I'm gonna end up having to throw it out. That's all right. So I got my baking sheet in the oven already. Take this out and put it on my baking sheet. Okay, now I'm gonna stick this in the oven, and I'm gonna do it for 45 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and check it because it's from 45 to 55 minutes. So I'm gonna come back and check it. Okay. Alexa, set timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so when I get back, I'm going to show you my finished product. Okay, I'm back to show you my finished product. I'm getting ready to cut my pie. Let me put my gloves on right quick. And get ready to cut my pie. I have already taken it out the oven. I let it cool some, you know, because it don't cut well when it's when it hadn't cooled down. Okay, so let me cut one for you. And it cuts much better when you put it in your fridge overnight. Let's see. I want to make sure I show you a good, nice slice of this. Let me go back in here and see, make sure it's cut good. Oops. It don't want to act right, but there it goes. Okay. This is my buttermilk pie. This is what it looks like. Part of my crust fell off, but that's all right. But anyway, let me get a fork and taste it. Okay. Ooh, that tastes delicious. So, if you like this video, let me know. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.